Hi, in this video I will show you how to install a screen protector on your phone. Things that you need: glass protector itself, microfiber cloth, isopropyl alcohol, masking tape or a couple of stickers if they came with the screen protector, nitrile gloves. Preparation is very important if you want to prevent any dust coming under a screen protector. Clean your work area and make sure it is well lit. Wash your hands thoroughly with a soap to make sure skin is free of oil and dirt. Remove your case if you have one. Clean your device and case with a large microfiber cloth and alcohol. Remove any dust from your screen using provided stickers or masking tape. I will be doing an install with the case on. The reason for that is that some cases might raise the screen protector from the screen when it's not ideally centered. So it's a good idea to align a new screen protector with your case. Put nitrile gloves on to prevent any skin flakes going under your screen protector. My preferred method is using sticker hinges, however masking tape will work just fine too. Tape the hinges to the back of the device. Align the screen protector on your screen. Stick both hinges on the screen protector. Stick another piece of lifting tape on the opposite side of the hinges. Lift the screen protector like a book and let it rest on the table. Do a final cleaning of the screen. Peel off the inner protective film gently. Flip the screen protector back on the screen with the lifting sticker. Gently swipe your finger from bottom to the top of the screen in the center. Gently press on the screen with a swiping motion from the center to edges of the screen to remove air bubbles if any. Carefully remove all the tape. If there are any bubbles left, gently lift the screen protector and put it back. Do not bend the glass. It may cause permanent deformation or a crack. And that's how to install a screen protector on your phone. Thanks for watching, hope you found it helpful.